Video, the final video of the series, maybe do another one tomorrow. Go to a very special place called the VAR. The VAR is where it all started to me. So, back in 2008, when I first attended here, this is where the Butter Conference was. A beautiful medieval castle, right in the middle of the city. You can buy cheese here, by herring, and guess what? This year's conference just around the corner. So get past the tourists, hold tight. I'm gonna try to bike fast to make this video more interesting. So goodbye. Ah, hello tourists. Autostraat op te lopen. Get out of the street. And if you see that sign, the blue one down there, this is where we're going. I think it's illegal nowadays to bike and hold the phone. So woo. So windy today. Here people not going to the conference where they have maps. There's more people. Beautiful canal. Beautiful day. It's fall. It's actually very nice. It was raining one of those days, but today's really good. And we arrived. Then I head outside. Oh, park the bike here however I can. Okay, so I'm gonna put the phone here and you can look at the scenery while I block my bike. Carry on. Let's continue. So yesterday we showed all the places. Hey, Stefan.
Look for the attendance for the conference.
Yeah. So today we're gonna be showing the dress room and have one special mission, which is to find Jama. Hey, Anya. Hey, Annie. People are eating here. So when you arrive, you just get here and you leave your stuff. Hey, Munich. Try to do it that nice way. Hello. Just showing the conference. You are in the video, hope you don't mind. Hold on. Because vlogging is not my main skill. The worst video in history. Now I gotta remember what was up and what was down. Oh, I'm so sure I messed it up. Yeah, that's the one. I'm just gonna give you a number and you gotta wait. So we have one mission today, which is to find Yama Yubarev. Hey, Daniel. Say hi to my third video log of the Blender Conference.
Oh, hello. You guys missed an epic karaoke evening yesterday.
Oh, I missed that. Ah, I love singing. I've never been to karaoke in English. It's gonna be the most boring video. I was biking here, so I go show all the way from the VAR. And I got my number. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Let's go find Yama. The Jama. I wanna Jama with you. The Jama. Oh no! It's Francesco's presentation. Abort. We're gonna do the video later. Not gonna hurry to Francesco's. I have a meeting at noon, but I think his talk is gonna end before that. Quickly see if Jam is around. No, he's not. Alright. Laters.